These are Melody's puppies. They are 7 weeks old. This Saturday they will be 8 weeks. And today is, what's the date? Anybody know what the date is?
13th.
The 13th of October. This right here is Precious Dobie. I've been saying his name wrong. His new owner in Arkansas corrected me on his name. His name's Dobie, not Dobby. And right here's Bally's. Turn Bally's over. Let me see her. Hi, Bally's, you sweet thing. And they won't stay still, as you can see. It's Bellagio. Hey, Bellagio. And Riviera and Mirage. Hi, Riviera and Mirage. Mama's over here. Melody. Melody, what are you doing?
No.
They're getting bigger, and they're so fun, so sweet, and they have lots of energy. Is why we cannot even keep them in their laps. And Riviera is a little bit different color than the rest of them, and she's, I always have to read it. She is a red sable black mask fawn. Can you pull it? Let me see her. Can let me show underneath her belly. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. She's a pretty, pretty girl. They're all gorgeous. They're all very, very pretty. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Bally's is wanting to play. They're tired of us taking pictures and videos all the time. If you want to look at more videos and more pictures of them, you can go to www.lovemypups.com. Whoa, getting scrappy. LOVEMYPUPS. Or you can call Tammy, Tammy's cell phone, 580-799-1910. And she'll be happy to ask you any questions, to answer any of your questions. Melody, come over here. Come over here. Oh, they think I'm wanting them. Come here. Okay, let them go. You can watch them play. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball, Riviera. Here's Bellagio. Ooh, just stepped on something. What you got there? What you got there? Huh? Here's Mirage playing. You got a stick? You got a stick? Hi, Bally's. Hi, Mama. Mama Melody. You gonna play with your puppies? Play with your babies? She loves playing with her doggies. Here, Dobie, we gotta get a close-up of you. Your mama and daddy are missing you. We can't wait to come and get you. Dobie. Dobie, hi. Hi. Hey, Dobie, come here. Will you guys get that paper, please? I didn't mean for it to be chewed up.
Oh.
Dobie. Dobie. Can you bring Dobie over here? Come here. Down. Here, Dobie. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Hi. You say hi to your mommy and daddy that miss you so much in Arkansas? They can't wait to get you. Yes. Okay. You went down. You want to play? Okay, we'll do a video again real soon.